Welcome back to the newsroom, where the cool kids come to play. I'm your host, and we're jumping into the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. So grab your wallet, your favorite t shirts, and your crypto calculator, because we're diving into some hot news. We're starting big time, folks, with Ethereum reaching a new multi year high of $3,800. Yes, you heard that right. Ethereum is soaring, and it's all thanks to Tom Lee's Bitmine project, planning a massive $20 billion ETH raise. Now I know what you're thinking. This is huge, right? Well, it's not just huge, it's massive. The potential accumulation of ETH is shifting the focus away from Bitcoin, which has been pretty steady lately. This is great news for the crypto space, indicating strong investor interest and potential long term growth. But that's not all, folks. Ethereum open interest has nearly doubled to around $60 billion in recent weeks, indicating a surge in market activity. This is huge because it shows that investors are becoming increasingly bullish on Ethereum, with many taking positions in anticipation of future price increases. Now let's talk about some other exciting news. Circle stock popped 11% in pre-market trading after the company released its Q2 report, highlighting revenue growth and a new L1 blockchain. The company's revenue increased by 53% year over year, which is fantastic news for investors. But here's the thing. For crypto companies to succeed, they need access to traditional banking services, just like any other business. And let's be real, it's not always easy. Lack of mainstream banking can make it tough for crypto companies to manage their finances, reduce risks, and increase their chances of success. Unfortunately, the crypto space is also seeing some scary stuff. In April, a staggering $161 million was lost to cryptocurrency crimes, with four alarming trends demanding attention. These include the rise of supply chain attacks, increased sophistication, growing use of exploits, and lack of standardization. Yikes! But it gets worse. North Korean hackers are using stolen cryptocurrency to mine more cryptocurrency through cloud services, turning their dirty cryptocurrency into clean, untainted coins. This process is called cloud washing, and it's a game changer for the bad guys. Now let's move on to some interesting news. Oracle exploits are on the rise, with $219.6 million lost in 2022. This is bad news, folks, because it's affecting various DeFi projects, including algorithmic market makers and yield optimizers. And if you thought that was all, well, you're wrong. We have some fantastic news from Babylon Labs, which is revolutionizing the Bitcoin network with its Layer 1 blockchain, Babylon Genesis. This breakthrough enables native DeFi capabilities, such as staking and restaking, on the Bitcoin network. But that's not all. We also have some exciting news from Kronos Chain, a large-scale, EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK with a TVL of $493 million and 9900 plus active daily users. The Kronos ecosystem is expanding rapidly. Time for blockchain bites. Why was Ron Fisher, the former CEO of Hummingbot, kicked out of the CEO position? Because he was lagging behind the other blockchain developers in their packs that are powered by dogs. Seriously though, the dog community has made massive strides in the past few years, with law enforcement agencies investing in canine-powered drones to crack down on crypto scams. But enough about that. Blockchain Bites is about a more serious topic. Did you know that blockchain technology can help conservation efforts by tracking and monitoring wildlife populations? This is exactly what some tech companies are doing in partnership with conservation groups to track endangered species. Now back to our news. We have some exciting news from the world of DeFi with Chronos Chain and Babylon Labs making waves. And let's not forget about Circle stock, which is on the rise after a strong Q2 report. But the most important thing is to stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world. Don't fall for phishing scams and always do your research before investing in any new projects. And if you're new to this space, welcome. We're glad you're here. Stay safe and stay informed. Thanks for listening, everyone. If you want more news and updates, make sure to hit that follow button and stay tuned for our next episode. This is your host, signing off. Until next time, stay crypto fantastic.